what? Money truck. Won't you who? Want you what? Money truck. Won't you who? Want you what? Money truck. Want you motherfucker nigga MTE nigga money truck. Niggas money truck. Them 3 letters, nigga, that is us. Nigga, you know what's up. We
Goddamn.
Put a car battery in there. People did that.
That shit go fucking go crazy. Goddamn it. Okay.
They whipping the Rover.
Okay, let's see what we got.
You know what I'm saying? We about to clickbait them with like this. I'm about to clickbait them with this. Let me get my photo.
Look at that.
Got my new car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the clickbait video. There you go.
Money truck.
Money truck. Look at it.
Let's go. Goddamn.
Oh man. Pushing that Rover. This that 2022 Range Rover.
Yeah, we gonna make it. Make it out the hood for real.
Oh, for real. This is what that
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
start out.
Fuck them cars, bro. Fuck that car, bro.
Oh man.
Fuck this car.
Man, how we gonna make it to the store, Nate?
Shit, man, you already know what we got. This shit got like V8 on that hoe. You know what I'm saying? This
Man.
shit pushing.
I think that thing go all the way to 200.
Shit. You know me, man. Look, I only get the good shit. I get the good whip. I get the good speed. I got the Need for Speed type shit.
No, for real.
God damn. I'm gonna pick this shit. Fuck this car, bro. Fuck this car.
Pick the car. We need to make it to the store.
My car got stolen. That's all I got. This is all I got now.
Pimping ain't easy, man.
You know, man. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Look, this is what the recession got us doing. You can't even afford real cars anymore.
Exactly. Hey, fuck the gas. It's all about this damn
Hey, this our new Tesla right here. This how we get around.
we was doing Tesla before Tesla, for real. They don't want to do it like that.
Hey, constructing on balance.
Hey, we going on YouTube.
What we doing, bro?
Hey, we go on YouTube. Yes, sir.
No. Oh, okay. Oh, all
They
right.
about to really get into it.
Oh.
No, we gonna have this nigga.
Bounce
You don't
keys.
wanna-
Oh, man.
That's how you do
Yes,
that.
sir.
That's how you do that.
Look at my dog though. He jumped in the
Jumping that Range Rover.
He pulled up. He said, "This nigga got gas." I gotta go do a few drops.
What up, you? How you living, man? Are you ready to ride? Look, I can't turn it on.
Hey Clyde, look, great minds think alike, dog. Those the same boots I got from work, dude. I like it. I like it. Cause you gonna talk crazy over the phone. Now you got to come get this check for me. I'm gonna give you some cash on that ass. You gonna cash it on that ass.
Bonus this week.
Hey, just that fight check. That shit from N4L Entertainment.
Hey, no, for real.
Let them know. Yeah, what you sipping though? What you sipping
A
though?
little Angry Orchard, a little bit of Malibu.
No,
Something slight today.
something, yeah.
Gesture. What were you saying? Okay.
Something slight. Something slight, little Angry Bird. What I call it, Angry Bird.
Look at Angry Bird. Think you want some bird? This Thanksgiving. I want some more birds. Thanksgiving. Oh, I ain't. Oh,
man, appreciate you, Nate.
We gotta find a banner so we take a picture.
Yeah, I got mine on Amazon.
We could keep swapping on it out. Hold the camera. Come on, y'all.
Hey, N4L Entertainment, we in the building, man. Hey, yes, sir. I see you. Money truck, yeah.
The trip doc.
Yes, sir.
Hey, look, I'm going. We going. Hey, look, I don't know what he talking about.
nigga, MTE, nigga, money truck. Niggas money truck. Them 3 letters, nigga, that is us. Nigga, you know what's up. We was broke, nigga, now we up.
Oh, yeah, we in the building. Hey, we read some of the lines.
They all the way over there.
Step out.
Hey,
But I just stepped out.
we stepped out.
Trip right there, that
Hey,
water.
Caleb ain't playing.
We tripped out, man.
If it had not been for the Lord, I wouldn't have not had another bitch come into my life. Not a bitch. Nobody say that now another like you say that now another. Not another bitch. I still don't know what that shit means, but it sounds good.
Go tell somebody why I'm home.
Y'all boys,
What you been on?
Hey, yo.
Chilling down, you know what I'm saying? You already know.
Yo, yes,
I'm trying to
sir.
catch up with you. How many trucks you got?
Boy, if you don't get
You need 2 more? Nah, that ain't the work. See, the thing is, you get the trucks, bro, but you ain't got to work.
And global, cause the universe is us. Y'all just know me, bruh. Won't you, don't give a fuck. I drop everything else and got straight to the bucks. We say fuck the bag, take the rest and put in the cab. Then watch me smash on the truck. I hit the gas, then I did the dash. Flip the truck, now we in the crash. It's the red 18-wheeler down there in high grass. Won't you who? Won't you what? Money truck. Won't you who? Won't you what? Money truck. Won't you who? Won't you what? Money truck. Won't you motherfucker nigga, MTE, nigga, money truck. Niggas money truck. Them 3 letters, nigga, that is us. Nigga, you know what's up. We was broke, nigga, now we up. It was really tough. Went from broke, nigga, to having some bucks. I was really broke, sitting on the back of that bus thinking about the truck. Yeah, won't you, nigga, in the crash, shook out the glass. I ran up the hill, had glass up on my ass. I'm like, fuck, dawg. I just got the fuck death. I knew God would work. I just thank God for letting me see the mark. Even if they couldn't take it from me, look at the bar. So I thank the Lord. Everything I do, watch it go. I come up and bless you, and nigga, I know you more. Won't you who? Won't you what? Money truck. Won't you who? Won't you what? Money truck. Won't you who? Won't you what? Money truck. Won't you money truck? Niggas money truck. Them 3 letters, nigga, that is us. Nigga, you know what's up. We was broke, nigga, now we up. It was really tough. Went from broke, nigga, to have some bucks. I was really broke, sitting on the back of the bus thinking about the truck.
Hey, the W2 coming out. It's that time. I'm short and crazy now. Get your mind right.
Won't you who? Won't you what? Money truck. Won't you who? Won't you what? Money truck. Won't you who? Won't you what? Money truck. Won't you motherfucker nigga, MTE, nigga, money truck. Niggas money truck. Them 3 letters, nigga, that is us. Nigga, you know what's up.